Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're talking about how to copy text, cut text, and also drag and drop text. So now let's move on to our document that we saved previously. Alright, so now first thing first, Word allows you to copy text that's already in your document and also to paste them in other places. This can help you save a lot of time and effort. If you want to move text around your document, you can cut and paste and drag and do a whole lot of stuff. So today, that is exactly what we shall be learning today. So let's start with the easiest of all, and that is to copy and paste text. So if you want to copy a text either from one document to another or within the same document, all you have to do is, let's say we wanted to copy videos, yeah, and put it, let's say, somewhere here. Would have to go up to where to the word we want to copy, highlight the word just like this. I already told you how we can select a word. You select a word by pressing the left mouse button, hold it, don't release it, then drag. So that's how we select a text. If it's also a word, you can just double click on it and it will be selected. So we want to copy video. So in copying video, we have three ways of doing it. Either we select the text, then come to copy over here, press copy, move down to where we want to put it, let's say here, then we paste. We come up here, then we paste like this. So video will be copied from the top and pasted down below. Another way you could also paste the video is by using the shortcut Ctrl+V, and it will be copied to the to where you want to copy it. Another way you could also do this, again, I would want to show you all the ways you would do this. So let's say you wanted to copy a video, the word video. You could highlight it like this, right click on it, then come to copy, and after copying it, we move down to where we want to paste it, then right click again and paste. There are different options to paste our document. You have whatever, you have a lot of paste options. You just click on any of them and the same effect will happen. So that's how we copy and paste files. This can also happen in different windows. Let's say you wanted to copy this whole paragraph. You can select it, copy it, and transfer it to your new document here. Then you can paste it and it will be there in your new document. So this will save you the time and effort of retyping the whole paragraph. Moving on to cutting. Now, cutting and copying are two different things. You'd realize that after copying this and putting it in a new document over here, we still have our original word still there. Reading is easy. So, however, assuming we use the cut command, assuming we use this guy over here, cut, the whole of this would not be there again. So it's self-explanatory. So let's take this. Let's say we wanted to copy this whole, we wanted to cut actually this whole line. Okay, let's cut the whole sentence. So if we should cut the whole sentence, I've selected what I want to cut. If I should come to cut and click on it, you realize that it has been taken off. It is no more there. Now if I go to my new location where I want to paste what I cut, then I paste. I use the shortcut Ctrl+V. You could also click here, or you would just right click then click on paste. Whichever way will still give you the desired outcome. However, what I'm trying to say is this: once you use a cut command instead of copy command. It means you are moving the whole text from its original location to a new location. That is, I'm not going to save this. Let me close this as well. I'm not going to save this. Yeah, so let's come to back to our main document over here. So once you use the cat command, you are just taking the whole text from its original location and putting it a different place. However, if you use the copy command, you would what you mean is that you want Microsoft Word to keep both copies. It's just self-explanatory. So that's how we copy, and also how we cut and paste text, either in the same location or in different location. Now let's talk about dragging and dropping text. So let's say we wanted to change the location of this whole sentence. We wanted to change the location, we wanted to take it from here and bring it here. You would use you can either copy and paste it there, or you just drag and drop it. So in order to drag and drop the text, all you have to do is select it. So I'm going to select it like this, then I'll click and hold and move it to where I wanted to paste it, then I'll release it. So that was it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next tutorial. As I said, the next tutorial is going to be, we'll be dealing with how to use some of these commands. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.